Hey friends, Mitha here. Welcome to Glossy Space Interior. Now I am at Fine Edge Modular Solution. It's a modular factory. You know that modular work of interior. So it includes all cutting, pasting, then edge binding. So this is the factory at Balanagar, Hyderabad, and here we are doing some modular work. So now I am at the factory to check all these our materials and pasting works. So guys, you can see here they are preparing plywood for pasting. They are applying adhesives, and here these are the inner laminates, texture in inner laminate, and this is the pasting machine. So after this ply will go for pasting here. Okay, and this is cutting machine. Here, according to our design and specific sizes, they will cut. All this part over here. This is the cutting machine, and this huge machine you can see. This is edge binding. So, guys, what is edge binding? I'll tell you. You can see here. This board is like already pasting is done. Laminate pasting is over, but you can see edge binding is still pending. Edge binding, it's a PVC. You can see these are the edge bindings. These are all edge bindings. According to your laminate color, we need to match it, and these will be PVC. And it will give very smooth texture of your all corners, so that whenever you open your shutter, it will be very smooth touch. Now this is the edge binding machine. Okay, so these will like we say factory made, right? So factory made edge binding work will be done here. So this is the difference you can see. Already this edge binding work is done. This is open side. Open side will be like this, and after edge binding it will be like this. And this is the CNC cutting machine. So this is overall process I'm telling you, like how modular work we have to do. We have to design our work. We need to submit the design to them, and according to that, they will give you estimation that how much material. Material again two types. Like either we can provide our own material to the factory, or maybe even they have multiple brand of plywoods and HDHMR and different kind of laminates. You can even purchase from here, and we can give order directly. So in my case, I have procured my material as it was specific, like century ply and even acrylics and all. So materials I have provided. Now I am here today. I will finish all the pasting work, and then like it will go for cutting and pasting. Edge binding, all this work, and it will be installed to the site. So thank you. If you like this video, please share. Thank you. One.